Hi everyone! We received a question from a customer about using the Mata C to monitor his 2 tires on the Caravan. So today we're going to show you how we can turn the 4 sensor Mata C into a 2 sensor Mata C. Basically, we will need to override the front left pairing with the rear left sensor and override the front right pairing with the rear right sensor. So let's start now. Okay, let's take the display and put it into the plug. Turn on the CC. Now we need to enter pairing mode of display by pressing the set button on the side 5 times. There will be a beep and the left front position will flash. Now we need to take the rear left sensor and pair it to the front left position. Let's go and do that now by installing the rear left sensor onto a tire. Now we give the sensor a vigorous shake and then slowly screw it onto the tire valve. Make sure it's registering the air pressure change. There should be a beep as the display registers the pressure on the screen. Now, save that by holding the set button for 1 second. Okay, there's beep. Okay, it stopped flashing. Now let's go to the next tire position. Press the set button once. Okay, the front right position will flash. Now we need to take the rear right sensor and pair it to the front right position so we can override the previous pairing data. Now let's go and install that sensor on another tire. Same thing, give the sensor a vigorous shake. Now slowly screw it onto the tire valve. There will be a beep as the number shows up on the display. Hold the set button for 1 second. There's a beep. There, it stopped flashing. Now the data is temporarily saved. To save and exit, hold down the set button until you hear 2 beeps. There we go.